Welcome to this episode of Hardscape Hustle. So before, this home had an older composite deck back here. The structure that it was built on was rotting. It was sitting right on dirt. There was a lot of moisture that was getting trapped underneath the deck. The homeowners decided it was time to do something different. So we were going to install something that was going to last a lifetime. So we ripped out the old decking. We encountered a few snakes, but other than that, there was no other critters underneath there. So we wanted to do a raised patio out here, and we installed a tackle block Blue 60 raised patio. We featured Blue 60 Champlain Gray for the 3-piece interior paver. We used a Villaggio Onyx border, and then we used a Cambridge ledgestone coal cap for the actual stair tread around the border of this patio. There's a couple other things too that we wanted to utilize in this project to really just kind of boost the effect out here and make it warmer and more comfortable to enjoy this space together with friends and family. So we added a privacy planter box, custom built by myself here. We built this box on a concrete footer right off the side of this patio. We've got a liner in it. We're getting ready to put planting soil in it and maybe some kind of clematis or a viney type perennial that'll come back every year and grow up this trellis and really give a nice effect, put a privacy barrier on the outside of this patio that will just kind of tie everything in with the lights that the homeowners have provided, and just that warm feeling when you can come out here and just listen to the sounds of nature and relax. The other thing we did here is we installed something kind of new to this industry. We installed some swings, which we harvested the lumber for the swings from a local mill, and built this big upright structure that we could hang two patio swings from, that the homeowners were really adamant they wanted a place to just sit there and relax and hang out and swing. So thanks for watching this episode of Hardscape Hustle. I hope you guys had fun. We had a lot of fun. It was a lot of blood, sweat, and tears in this project. There's plenty more projects just like this coming along. So make sure you click our link, subscribe to our channel, and watch out for the next one.